Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Baby Saja in his demon form. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 angles up, leaving a gap in the middle. And then let's bring it out from the top. Now top underneath in the center, and let's draw a curve down and up underneath each eye. Now inside, let's add a small circle on the bottom left. Then on top, let's draw a curve down and continue it up to form a circle in the center. And then color both of these in black. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw a curve down and in from the sides. And then lastly, let's add another curve on top of each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. We'll start with an angle up. Then let's bring it up in the center. And then curve it back out. Now let's hop out next to each of the eyes and let's draw a curve down and bring it up. Now underneath, let's draw the shape of the face by angling it down and in. And then curve it down to a point for the chin. Now top in and let's draw a curve in the center for the nose. A line across underneath for the mouth. And then add a small curve underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the ears. On the sides, let's draw a curve down and in. And then inside, let's draw a curve down with a bump at the bottom. Now that we're done the ears, let's hop up and let's draw the hair. Let's leave a gap and let's draw a large curve across for the brim of the hat. Now underneath for the hair in the center, let's draw a curve down and up in between the eyes, and another one next to it on the right side. Now let's add another piece on the right side. Another one across. And then one more down and up on the right. Now let's move back over to the left side and let's draw a small piece on top of the eyebrow. And then 2 more, curving it out to the left side. And then to close off the sides of the hair, let's curve it down and in on both sides. And that's it for the hair. Now let's hop on top and let's finish the hat. From the ends, let's curve it up and in, leaving a gap in the center. And then a curve across. Now on top, let's draw 2 angles up and close off the top of the hat. And then lastly, inside, let's draw another curve across near the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now I'll top underneath and draw the body. We'll start with 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then let's bring it out for the shoulders. Now let's angle it back in on both sides. And then bring it down for the sides of the body. And close it off with a curve across. Now top and side and draw some details. Let's draw another curve at the bottom for the waistband. And now top up to the top and let's draw 2 lines down. And a line across the bottom. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now inside the top section, underneath the neck here, let's draw an angle down. And one more on top on the left. Now top inside and let's draw a line down the center. And lastly for the top, let's add the buttons. Inside the top section here, let's draw a line across and a small circle on both sides. And let's work our way down, adding 3 more sets of buttons like this. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start underneath the shoulders and let's draw an angle down and out on both sides. And now let's do the same thing on the inside. And close off the end of each sleeve with a curve across. Now at the ends here, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a curve out and back up on both sides for the thumbs. Now for the next finger, let's draw a curve in and back out. And then another finger next to it by curving it down and up. Another smaller one again in the same way. And then one more starting up from the sleeve and back in. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's hop back up and let's draw the string on the hat. Let's start on the left side underneath the hair and let's draw a long curve down, across the belly, and back up to the other side. And now let's add the beads. Let's start on top and let's draw a black circle on both sides. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 next to each other. And then let's work our way down, alternating between 1 bead and then 2. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start on both sides and let's draw a long curve down, like this. And now let's hop to the center and let's draw 2 curves down and out to close off each side. Next, let's hop to the center and let's draw 2 angles down, keeping them close together. And then from the bottom, let's curve it out and up. Now underneath each leg, let's draw 2 lines down. And a curve across. And that's it for the pants. Now let's add the charms hanging down from the belt. Inside the waistband, let's draw 2 lines down on the right side. Now let's draw a line down underneath on the right, and a longer one on the left. And now let's add a diamond underneath each line. Now underneath, let's draw another line down. And again, let's make the left one longer. And another diamond underneath. Now underneath, let's draw a small line down on both sides. And then for the tassel, let's draw a line across at the bottom. 2 angles down. And a line across to close off the bottom. And then let's add 2 lines going down inside. And that's it for the belt. Now top to the bottom and draw the shoes. We'll start with 2 lines down in the center. Then let's hop out and let's draw an angle out. And then curve it out and down. And now let's close off the bottom of each foot. And lastly, let's hop inside and let's draw another line across at the bottom. And that's it for Demon Baby Saja. Now let's quickly color it in. And let's remember to add the demon marks while we're coloring. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!